And there's the finished product. Normally you have a stud, and it's fairly straightforward. But you always need to check, because there could be something else behind it. For example, what is that? Luckily I know what it is. And there's definitely something. There's HVAC over here, and there's a bunch of wood over here. So over here I'm going to hang this mirror. I'm going to use a screw. Over here I'm going to use a little technique that I'll show you. Here you can see inserting an anchor will pierce the pipe. So if it's especially plumbing, you don't want that to happen. This is going to be a fix to show you how to insert an anchor without piercing the pipe. The first step is only use the tip of the anchor to go in part way. And I like these type of anchors because I think they're the strongest. So I like to use these anchors. These are great. They go up to 100 pounds, I think. And so what we'll do is you take one of these and you only use it to start it, like going in just a half an inch, because that's the thickness of the drywall. And that's what we'll do right now. And that's our hole. Next, I clip off the top with a pair of wire cutters. And that's what you get. And that's what I'll put in. Next, I'll cut off the screw to a half an inch. So I have the thickness of the piece, the support piece, plus a half an inch. And I cut that off with a pair of wire cutters, just make a dent, and then I'll bust it back and forth. That option is in there.